I'm Stuti Kumar, and today I'm here to talk about a topic which is need of an hour, that is stress. So let's talk about stress. What is stress really? Like, we all know how it feels. We all have been through it. We all know what exactly stress is. 100 times we use this word with our friends and family everywhere that, oh my god, today was such a stressful day. I don't know what to do. And things have been stressing around lately. And hello, we are in a pandemic. So it has to like, stress is something which is a big part and parcel of everyone's life. Did you know stress is caused by being here but wanting to be there? Or it's not stress that kills us, it is a reaction to it that finally leads us to distress. Yes, you heard me right. So today I'm here to give you 5 very simple tips on how you can de stress yourself. Let's begin. Number 1, deep breathing. Pause for a second, wherever you are, even while watching this video. Just hold on, pause, take a deep breath in, and take a deep breath out. Close your eyes and do this for 3 to 4 times. Simply breathing in and breathing out is a very detoxing way to inducing or signaling our brain into releasing the happy hormones that are endorphins. So deep breathing really helps. So it inducing calmness and relaxation and signals the brain to basically understand and know that yes, it is a time to battle stress and stress hormone production reduces. Number 2, muscle relaxation. Often what happens during stress is our muscles clench in tension, and sometimes when we are too overstressed, the brain goes on an overdrive. Hence, we don't and those leg cramps and sitting in one place and headaches and hand is paining and a lot of other things keep juggling through stress. We've all heard about all these complaints. So yes, all this can happen from stress. It is medically proven. And what we can do simple exercises wherever you're sitting or wherever you are. You can even lie down and do it, or you can even sit and do it. Simple clenching and unclenching exercises, from the neck or hands or feet or anything. Just let the tension of the muscles release it. It signals the brain into thinking that yes, the situation is not a do or die situation. Number 3, sleep. Yes, sleep cycle, having a healthy sleep cycle, and even as a stress buster, like whenever you're stressed, you take a nap, and automatically you must be waking up and feeling better, like a little bit change in the mood and change the situation, because stress tires the brain and hence it tires the body as well. And if we don't have a healthy sleep, or if we don't have a healthy sleep schedule, then it really makes it difficult for the brain to cope up with a lot of stress and cope up with the hustle and bustle of our everyday life. Hence, sleep is a very important thing that really needs to be followed as a stress buster and in a daily routine exercise. Number 4, eat well. Having a healthy body and being healthy overall is a very important aspect to having a healthy diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Also induces on how well our body and our mind copes up with the stress. Yes, so eating well and maintaining, like having all the nutrients in the diet and maintaining a proper healthy diet is very much connected to how we deal with stress and very much connected to how much stress affects us overall as an individual. And of course, healthy mind, healthy body, that's what they say. 5, and the most important one, talk to someone. Talking about your problems and venting out your problems releases that burden and that energy which you are overthinking and which is causing stress. So you can always talk to your family member, or you can talk to a friend, uh, anything, whatever floats your boat and whatever you feel is right. And if that is not comfortable, talk to somebody, talk to a professional. There are professionals like trained professionals like counselors and like psychologists, like psychiatrists, who can actually help you in a medical and professional way on how you can deal with your situation better. How can you have more coping, healthy coping strategies towards the situation better. Because trust me, it may sound less now, it may sound not like a big deal now, but stress has a lot of long-term medical issues and medical ailments. As everything, like the more override the brain is, the more stress that is there, the more issues, health issues also follow with it. So do not keep it in, just vent it out and remove it out, remove the energy out however possible. So okay, I hope these tips were simple enough to follow, and you can practically follow them anywhere. It's not necessary to be alone and have a designated place to do these. Also, yes, there are 1,000 more things you can do, like follow a hobby, listen to music, there's art, there's craft, there is a lot of other things which we can indulge in, which reduces stress. So if you know any interesting technique like this, like how you cope up with stress, like what is your tip to cope up with stress which has helped you, you can always talk to us in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Have a nice day.